Stable Diffusion is a really powerful AI image generation tool, but it can be pretty demanding on your hardware if you don't have a good GPU. This website lets you use Stable Diffusion with so many features that are available on local Stable Diffusion. Those features are Controlnet and access to more than 20 models of Stable Diffusion, which is just awesome. So let's get started. The website is called Openart.ai, and here are some important features: Controlnet, 20 plus SD models, and QR code plus Inpainting. You can also get 100 credits daily for free. I will mention the link in the description. Let's explore the features and setting of this website. Here are some basic settings for the website. You can see prompts, negative prompts, also the important one, Controlnet is also there. Image to image is also there. You can also select how many images you want to make. Remember, each image will cost 1 credit. You will get 200 credits on joining and 100 credits daily. You can also select width and height, configuration, scale, and steps, just like local Stable Diffusion. So you will get only 3 samplers on this website: DPM, DDIM, Euler array. You can also select seed to be random or the seed of your preference. You can also upscale and enhance. And there is also face enhance available. You can also click on switch models and select the models of your choice. There are 22 models at the moment, and I'm sure they will add more in the future. Let's look at the Controlnet model now. You can see there are all sort of models. For hands, of course, I will use line art, which tends to produce better hands. So that there is a tip for you: use line art model for better hands if you want. And let's look at the results. And as you can see, I have got a pretty good hand with all the lines visible. It's a very detailed hand. You can also use STXL on this website, but for now the Controlnet is not available for STXL. You can also click on edit image and the Inpaint window will open. Just like local Stable Diffusion, you can inpaint the specific area where you want to change something. Like I want a dragon in the sky, I will inpaint it and write the prompt for the dragon. I will write simple prompt just for demonstration purposes. And let's look at the results now. As you can see, result is before you. I know these are not perfect, but good prompts can make this perfect. Let's look at the QR code feature of this website. You can type your URL here, and also you have so many templates to select from. I will select Mecca for the demonstration purposes and let's look at the results now. As you can see, it produced a pretty good result, and 70% of the time those were readable. You can also train your models, but you will have to pay some fees for this. So here's the review. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos about the world of AI. I'll be releasing new videos every week, so you don't want to miss out.